How to check where Capcut saved my video. So in this video, I'll show you step by step two methods on how to check where Capcut saved your video. So the first one is to check where Capcut saved your entire project folder. That's it. Now go to this menu and then go to settings. After you come to settings, under this drafts, here is now it says save to. So here is the folder. So if you click on this section, here it will give you the address. As you can see now, if I hover under this address, as you can see here is now the address. Now you can follow this address to go ahead and find the entire your project folder. That's why save your background music. You can see the entire folder. The second one is to check where Capcut save your exported video. To check this, just click on this export. After you click on this export, just click here it says export to address. If you want to see the folder, just click on this option. After you click on this option, now it will open the folder that it saved your video for you. Just go ahead and find the folder. From there, you can be able to see the folder. After you see the folder address, you can just go ahead and find the folder by following your C drive in your computer. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, please like and subscribe.